Project Redirect has been serving the community for over 26 years and has been filling the gap left by the public school system and other programs. Founder and Chief Executive Officer Sharon D, a veteran teacher and guidance counselor, has made it her mission and focus to support the underserved population in Newark's West Side Park area. Project Redirect, a nonprofit organization, works proactively to facilitate the restoration of families and prevent child abuse and juvenile delinquency, as well as providing educational support and STEM classes. We make every effort to support young people in their academic, social, and drug prevention success. Traumatic experiences can be hard for children to process and deal with independently. If left unaddressed, adverse childhood trauma can lead to lifelong issues. But there is hope with Project Redirect. Let us bring a smile back to every child. You only need to open your heart and lend a helping hand. Project Redirect gives hope to children with adverse childhood trauma. Its successful programs aim to help every child who needs to heal from past traumas and lead a fulfilling and happy life with patience, love, and understanding. We need your help to not only continue our programs, but also grow them. We want to be able to support more children and families in more areas, but we can't do it without your help. Join our cause. Reduce child abuse, neglect, and other adverse childhood experiences. It is ambitious, but with your help, we can make this vision a reality. Donate now.